Hello YouTube. It's been a while since I posted anything on YouTube, and that's because my computer broke. I had no way to edit the videos. I've had no way to really process them. So things have been kind of quiet, unfortunately. However, I've made a major commitment to this channel just today in buying a new laptop, one of the Apples with the M1 chip in it. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to unbox it, let you see what they look like coming straight out of the box. It's not a tech video. I'm not a tech guy. I work on cars, I bake, I do stuff like that, but this is just to let you see what the computer looks like straight out of the box. It's kind of an unboxing and to let you know that I will be making videos again. So, here it is. I have no idea if the box is right side up or upside down. Here, we go this way. Let's get it opened. Go. Let's see what's in this thing. Oh, a little bit of shaky there. Angle down, you don't want to see my mug. Oh, that's nice. Gives you a little tab to pull it out with. Oh, it's a 13-inch screen. It's small, well protected. Oh, look. All I had to do was open it up and it came on. Really nothing that I wouldn't expect from Apple. I've been using a 2012 model Apple laptop up until now.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Obviously, I want English. Comes with the charger. Setting this thing up here a little bit. Charging cable.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay. Anyways, this is it. Charging cables. I still have to download the editing software that I'm going to be using to edit the videos.
Quick start. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen.
For now, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope to see you watching my video soon. I hope to be producing good content for you soon. Thanks a lot.